Integrating the CyberScout dashboard is a straightforward process that enhances your cybersecurity posture by providing real-time threat intelligence and incident response. To begin, ensure you have a CyberScout account and the necessary credentials to access the dashboard. First, log into your CyberScout account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the integration section of the dashboard. Here, you will find options to integrate with various third-party systems and applications. Next, select the system or application you want to integrate with the CyberScout dashboard. This could be a security information and event management system, a help desk ticketing system, or any other system that can benefit from CyberScout's threat intelligence and incident response capabilities. After selecting the system, you will be prompted to enter the necessary configuration details. This may include API keys, server addresses, and other relevant information. Ensure that you have this information readily available before proceeding with the integration. Once the configuration details are entered, the CyberScout dashboard will establish a connection with the selected system. This may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the complexity of the integration. After the integration is complete, the CyberScout dashboard will begin to collect and analyze threat intelligence from the integrated system. This information will be displayed in real time, providing you with a comprehensive view of your cybersecurity posture. To get the most out of the integration, it is essential to configure the dashboard to meet your specific needs. This may include setting up custom alerts, creating incident response plans, and assigning roles and permissions to users. Best practices for integrating the CyberScout dashboard include regularly reviewing and updating the configuration, monitoring the dashboard for suspicious activity, and using the threat intelligence and incident response capabilities to improve your overall cybersecurity posture. In conclusion, integrating the CyberScout dashboard is a simple and effective way to enhance your cybersecurity capabilities. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a seamless integration and maximize the benefits of the CyberScout dashboard.